Morning students, myself Komal Desai. I am your maths teacher. Now today we'll start with the lesson number 2, multiplication and division of integers. You can see the name I have written here, lesson number 2, multiplication and division of integers. Last year you have studied addition and subtraction of integers. Yes, now we'll start with the multiplication and division. Before that we'll just quickly revise what we have studied last year. Means, for example, the definition for natural numbers and the definition for whole number. Yes, I hope all of you are knowing the definition of natural number and whole number. So let's recall what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are the positive integers or non-negative integers which starts from 1 and ends at infinity, such as, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these all numbers are called as natural numbers. Now what is a whole number? Whole number are a set of numbers including the set of natural numbers, means 1 to infinity and the integer 0. A whole number is called whole because it is not a mixed fraction or any rational number, but can be represented as a complete number excluding the negative integers, means all the positive numbers but start low, it is called as whole numbers. Got it? Now we'll move to next, that is our topic, what is integers. What is the name of the lesson? Yes, name of the lesson is multiplication and division of integers. So we'll see the definition for integers. An integer is a whole number, not a fractional number that can be positive, negative or 0. Examples of integers are -5, 1, 5, 8, 97. And examples of numbers that are not integers are -1.43, 13 by 4, 3.1. All the numbers which are positive, negative and 0, they are called as integers. Integers should not be any fractional number or any decimal number. Understood? Now we'll see the next, multiplication of integers. We'll start with our topic, that is multiplication of integers. For example, I have written here one example, 5 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Means any number if we will multiply by 0, we will get the answer, that is 0. Means one more example we will take, 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to, it should be 0. Any number we will multiply by 0, we will get the answer, that is 0. Now the second number I have written here, second example, 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 3s are 18. Correct. So below that I have written, you can see there in the bracket I have written something. Yes, what is the meaning of that? Plus VE means positive. So positive number multiplied by positive number, it gives us, the product should be positive number only, means 6. First number what I have written here in the bracket, 6. What is the sign for that 6? That is plus. First number is plus, multiplied by second number is 3, that is plus. So 6 multiplied by 3, the answer is 18. The answer, that is product, should be positive number only, means if any positive number multiplied by positive number, the product which we are getting, that is positive number. Understood? Yes. Means the product of two positive numbers is positive number. Next, third example we will see. What I have written here, 7 multiplied by -2 is equal to -14. 7. What is the first integer? 7. What is the sign of first integer? That is positive. Multiply by, what is the second integer I have written here? -2. What is the sign for that 2? That is minus, negative number. Is equal to 7 2s are 14. And what will be the sign for that product? Answer is -14. Means positive number multiplied by negative number, it gives us negative number. Means the product of positive number and negative number, the product is always a negative number. Understood? Now the fourth example, -8 multiplied by 1 is equal to -8. What is the sign for the first integer? Negative. Yes. What is the sign for the second integer? That is positive. So it gives us answer, that is product, that should be in negative. Correct? Means the product of one negative integer and one positive integer, it gives us negative number or negative integer. Understood? Okay. Now the fifth example, -12 multiplied by -3 is equal to 36. 12 3s are 36. Correct. Then what is the sign for the first integer? That is negative number. The first integer is negative. Multiply by 3. What is the sign for that 3? That is negative. Correct. So minus that is negative number multiplied by negative number, it gives us positive numbers. Means the product of two negative numbers, the answer is always a positive number. Understood? Two positive integers is a positive integer. Means if the first number is positive and the second number is positive, then the product means answer is always a positive number. Second, the product of one positive and one negative integer is a negative integer. Means if the first number is positive and the second number is negative, then the product means answer is always a negative number. Or if the first number is negative and the second number is positive, the product or the answer is negative number. Means if in two numbers, if one number is positive and one is negative, then the answer is always a negative number. Third, the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. If both the numbers are negative, then the product or the answer will be in positive number. Understood? Means if the one number is positive and one is negative, the answer will be negative. If both the numbers are positive, answer will be positive. And if both the numbers are negative, then the answer will be a positive number. I hope all of you understood till here. Now we'll start with our exercise, that is practice set 8. All of you take out your notebooks and then start writing this in your notebook. Question number 1, multiply, that is multiplication of integers. First sum, as you can see, -5 multiplied by -7. Now we will solve this. 5, what is the sign of the first integer? Minus. And what is the sign of the second integer? That is minus. 5 sevens are 35, correct. And both the signs are in negative, so the answer will be positive. Just now we have studied, if both the numbers or both the integers are negative, then the product or the answer is always a positive integer. So 5 sevens are 35 and minus minus it becomes plus, correct. Now the second sum, second example, -9 multiplied by 6. What is the first integer here? 9, correct. What is the sign of that 9? Minus. And what is the second integer? 6. What is the sign for that 6? That is plus. Means if the first integer is negative and the second is positive, then the product or the answer is always a negative number. If the one number is negative and one is positive, then the answer product which will get, that is in negative number. So 9 6 are 54 and minus plus minus, correct. Now third example, 9 multiplied by -4. So what is the first integer here? 9. What is the sign of 9? Plus. And what is the second integer? 4. What is the sign of 4? Minus. So 9 multiplied by 4. 9 fours are, correct, 36. And first integer is positive and the second integer is negative. So plus minus, always it gets minus. Means if the one integer is positive and the second is negative, then the product or the answer is always a negative integer, correct. Now we'll see the fourth sum, fourth example. I hope you don't have any doubt till here, till third sum. Okay, now fourth sum, 8 multiplied by -7 is equal to, 8 sevens are 56. And what is the sign of the first integer? Plus. And what is the sign of the second integer? Minus. So plus minus minus, correct. So answer, that is product, is -56. Now the fifth sum, -124 -1 is equal to 124. Means the first number is, or the first integer is 124. What is the sign of first integer? Minus, correct. What is the second integer here? 1. What is the sign of 1? Minus. So minus into minus, minus minus, it becomes plus. So the answer is plus 124, or you can directly write down 124. Now the sixth sum, -12 multiplied by -7 is equal to, what is the first number here? 12. What is the sign of the first number? Minus. What is the second number, second integer? 7, correct. What is the sign of 7? Minus. So minus minus, it becomes plus. So whatever product or whatever answer you will get, you will write down there plus. Or if you are not writing plus sign, that is also okay. So 12 sevens are 84, correct. So this is, the answer is plus 84, or you can write down 84. Or I hope all of you understood all the 6 sums. Any doubt? No? Okay. Now we'll move to next 7th example. Question number 7. minus 63 multiply by minus 7. What is the first number here? 63. Correct. What is the sign of 63? Minus. What is the second integer or the second number? 7. What is the sign of 7? Minus. So 67 multiply by 3 we will do in the rough. 63 multiply by 7. Do it fast in your rough notebook. Yes. What is the answer? Correct. The answer is 441. And what is the sign of the first number? Minus. What is the sign of the second number? Minus. So minus minus it becomes plus. So what is the answer? Plus 441, that is 441. No need to write down that plus sign. Okay. So if you are writing the plus sign, that is also okay. If you are not writing, that is also okay. So directly you can write down 441 is the answer. Okay. Now the next sum, 8th one. What is the first number here? Minus 7 multiply by 15. Correct? Okay. What is the first integer? 7. What is the sign of 7? Minus. What is the second integer here? 15. What is the sign of 15? Plus. 7 multiply by 15. 15 sevens are? Yes. 105. Correct. 15 multiply by 7. 15 sevens are 105. And the sign is minus. Why? Because the first number is minus and the second number is plus. If the first number is minus and the second number is plus, then minus plus it becomes minus. So the answer or the product is minus. I hope you understood till here. Once again we will revise. Yes. Once again we will revise this. First number is positive number and the second number is positive number. Then the product or the answer is always a positive number. Got it? Okay, now the second. If the first number is positive number and the next number is negative number, then the answer or the product is always a negative number. Correct. Very good. Okay. Now third one. If the first number is negative number and the second number is positive number, then the answer or the product is always a negative number. Correct. Now the last. If the first number is negative and the last number is negative, means both the numbers are negative, then the answer will be a positive number. Plus plus gives, or plus plus is equal to plus. Plus minus is equal to minus. Minus plus is equal to minus. And minus minus it becomes plus. I hope all of you understood till here. No doubt in multiplication of integers. What is the definition of integer? An integer is a whole number, not a fractional number, that can be positive, negative or 0. Correct? Means integers are all the numbers which are positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. But they are not the fractional numbers and they are not the decimal numbers. Few practice sums based on that exercise multiplication. First here, minus 12 multiplied by 2 is equal to, what is the first integer here? See, 12. What is the sign of that integer? Minus. What is the second integer? 2. What is the sign of that 2? Plus. Correct. So 12 2s are 24. I hope all of you know the tables. Okay. So 12 2s are 24. Okay. And first sign is minus and the second sign is plus. So minus plus minus. So the answer or the product is minus 24. You will not write down plus 24. It is minus 24 because minus plus minus. Now the second sum, 17 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to, what is the first number here? 17. What is the second number? Minus 3. What is the sign of the first integer? Plus. What is the sign of the second integer? Minus. So 17 3s are 51. Correct? 17 3s are 51. You will not write down only 51. You will write down minus 51 as the first integer is plus and the second integer is minus. So plus minus minus. So the answer is minus 51. Next sum, minus 20 multiplied by minus 5. 25 is a 100. And what is the first sign? Minus. What is the second sign here? Minus. So minus minus it becomes plus. Correct. So the answer is, or the product is, plus 100, or you can directly write down 100. Okay, now the next sum, 19 multiplied by 4. 19 fours are 76. What is the first sign? Plus. What is the second sign here? Plus. Plus sign we are not written here. If there is no sign has written, means there is always a plus sign. So plus 19 multiplied by plus 4. Plus plus it becomes plus. So 19 4 is 76. So the answer or the product is plus 76, or you can write down 76. Next, minus 15 multiplied by minus 5. What is the first number here? 15. Okay, what is the sign of that 15? Minus. What is the second number? 5. What is the sign of the second number? Minus. So minus multiplied by minus. Minus minus it becomes plus. So the answer is plus 75, or directly you can write down 75. 15 5s are 75. So multiplied by minus 5 is 75. Next, 16 multiplied by minus 7. 16 7s are 112. Correct. What is the first number here? 16. What is the sign of the first number? Plus. What is the second number, second integer? 7. What is the sign of the second integer? Minus. So plus minus minus. So the answer or the product is minus 112. So 16 7s are 112, and because there is one sign is negative, so the answer is negative, minus 112. Okay. Next, minus 7 multiplied by 13. What is the first number here? See, 7. Correct. What is the second number? 13. What is the sign of the first number? Minus. What is the sign of the second number? Plus. So minus plus it becomes minus. If any one number is minus or any one number is negative, answer will be always a negative number. Yes, it should be first number or it should be second number. If any one number is negative, then the answer or the product will be negative number. So 7 multiplied by 13. 13 7s are 91, and first number is negative, that is minus. So the answer is minus 91. So minus 7 multiplied by 13 is minus 91. Next sum, 14 multiplied by 0. Any number if you are multiplying by 0, you will get answer that is 0 only. So 14 multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Next, 18 multiplied by 4. See here, both the numbers are positive numbers, correct? So 18 4s are 72. So no need to write down minus sign there, because both the numbers are positive. As both the numbers are positive, if the two integers are positive, then the answer or the product is always a positive number. So 18 4s are 72. So the answer is plus 72, or you can write down directly 72. The next term is 22 multiplied by minus 2. First number is 22. What is the sign of the 22? Plus. What is the second number here? 2. What is the sign of 2? Minus. So if the one number is plus and the other number is minus, so plus minus it becomes minus. So the answer or the product is minus. Correct. So 22 2s are 44. Yes. So the answer is minus 44. I hope you understood till here.